Check the next video to see how to import picture data into Excel. Go to Data. Click on From Picture. Select Picture from File. Go to the picture location and select it. In the right pane, Excel is analyzing the picture and converts it into a table. If something is not visible enough, Excel will highlight the cells and will give you the option to review and modify them. If everything looks okay, click on Insert Data. Now the table from the picture is converted into an Excel table. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and check other videos.